Welcome to LazyLis-H1 Masterise OCP1, where your exceptional experience begins. A world of refined elegance awaits, and securing your stay is effortless. Simply scan the QR code displayed on screen or consult the description below for booking details. Here, every detail is meticulously curated to provide an unparalleled escape. Imagine yourself enveloped in luxurious comfort, surrounded by the finest amenities. This haven offers a seamless experience, ensuring your utmost relaxation and well-being. From the moment you arrive, you'll be greeted with a level of service that anticipates your every need. Effortless airport transfers are readily available, whisking you away to your elegant sanctuary. Each room is a testament to sophisticated design, featuring comfortable accommodations designed for a truly restful night. Air conditioning ensures your perfect environment, providing a cool and tranquil retreat from the outside world. And when hunger strikes, a variety of delectable dining options are conveniently available, ready to satisfy your culinary desires. The property offers the ultimate convenience with available parking. Stay connected and share your memories with complimentary Wi-Fi access throughout the property. Indulge in moments of pure bliss and allow us to create an unforgettable stay. Don't delay, the experience awaits. Secure your escape now by scanning the QR code or refer to the description below for effortless booking. We eagerly anticipate welcoming you to LazyLis-H1 Masterise OCP1.